What happens when love turns toxic and rage takes over? In this explosive courtroom moment, Fernando Jimenez faces a harsh reality. 6 years in prison, no contact with his daughter, and a chilling warning from the judge that could change his life forever.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 001924 and 2025 CR 000637, State versus Fernando Jimenez. Can I have parties announce?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Melissa Christian for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Jimenez?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right, defense, do you have any objection to defense counsel appearing by Zoom?
We have no objection.
I'm sorry, state, do you have any objection? All right, Melissa, you were about to object to yourself. You're like, why is the judge asking me that? All right, Mr. Jimenez, do you have any objection to your counsel appearing by Zoom?
No, ma'am.
All right. Attorney Christian, did you receive all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications in this case?
There are not.
All right, Mr. Jimenez, did you review the documents
Yes, ma'am, I did.
entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment in each cause number?
We do.
State in cause number 2025 CR 001924, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. They will be proceeding on that case with regard to only count one. We'll waive count two, and we will waive the repeat offender enhancement.
No objections.
And then in cause number 2025 CR 000637, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we will waive the repeat offender enhancement with that case as well.
No objection.
All right, Mr. Jimenez, did you review the documents entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes, ma'am, I did.
You're charged with evading arrest, detention with a vehicle, and assault family household member with a previous conviction. Those are each third-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering into these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, I did.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Jimenez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I do, and I did.
All right, according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. In one cause number, there's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications in either cause number. The cause numbers are to run concurrently. The state will take in consideration 2025 CC 002355. And the cause number ending in 37, there's an affirmative finding of family violence and there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that to be your plea bargain agreement in each cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is.
State?
It is the plea, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph in each of the cause numbers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
I did, yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Motions have been filed, but none heard, Judge.
And cause number 2025 CR 001924. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
All right. And just so the record can be clear, in cause number 2025 CR 000637, did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand that also with an affirmative finding of family violence, you cannot be designated as primary custodial parent?
Okay.
No, not okay. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Knowing those things, do you still wish to proceed with this plea?
Yes.
All right. Then in cause number 2025 CR 000637, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State in each cause number, is there any evidence to support the defendant's pleas?
Yes, Your Honor. With regard to both cases, they will offer into evidence as exhibits 1 for 2025 CR 001924. And with regard to 2025 CR 00627, in terms of one contest.
Any
No
objection?
no objection in either cause number.
All right. And state in the cause number with the complainant that he is to have no contact with you. I mean, with her. Have you had any contact with the complainant?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. You may be excused. In each cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulations of Testimony and Stipulation with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Thank you. And Ms. Christian, I sent you a text message. Well, not a text message, a chat.
Just answered.
And I just sent you another chat. Do you remember attorney Barbara Slavin?
Oh, yeah, I do.
That's what she would always write. And I would say, why are you shouting?
Why are you yelling at me?
And she's like, I'm not yelling. Now I understand what she meant. All right, while the state is doing that, in regards to cause number, we're back on the record. In 2025 CR 001924, the court is going to find that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, please.
All right, and that cause number, the court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This is run concurrent with 2025 CR 000637. And that cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because that's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because it's a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And let me give you a copy of your trial court certifications.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Rick, are you able to find it? Ms. Christian, they're just waiting on getting the steps for that case.
Gotcha.
It's not just about prison time. This hearing shows how bad decisions affect families for generations.
We're off the record while they're getting that. Here's the thing. This whole, what I've read in the police report, if you think somebody's paying attention too much to somebody that you care for, guess what? Be happy that somebody thinks the person that you're with is attractive, intelligent. But there's no cause for any of this. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to prison. You know? And if you think somebody is being unfaithful to you or cheating on you, then you only really have 2 choices in life. Either you accept it and forgive them, Or either you say, I didn't sign up for this. This relationship is over and keep it moving. But you don't do this because otherwise you end up where you are now, which is going to prison.
I understand, Your Honor. I know I'm in a toxic relationship, right? I did try to file for divorce with her. She doesn't want to file, she doesn't want to sign the papers.
Oh, then you just keep it moving. And you can write a Lifetime movie about how you're such a great guy, so attractive, so intelligent, that this woman cannot leave you alone. But what you did in this, you can't do that. You got to let it go, you know, and move on. And if somebody won't give you a divorce, I will tell you.
Notice how the judge pauses before issuing sentencing. What she says next, it's hard.
You can get a divorce from somebody if you really want a divorce, whether they show up or not. I've had people before, they said, I'm not going to agree to service. I'm not going to let you serve me. Guess what? Texas has something where you can actually just serve it by placing it in a newspaper, and they'll put it on a board at the courthouse. And that's your constructive service. So this whole thing where I'm never going to give you a divorce, catch me if you can and get somebody to serve me divorce papers, it's really a bunch of nonsense, because you can get a divorce without having to physically serve somebody.
It's not like not giving the divorce. It's like, I don't know how to go about it, you know? Either it's a financial problem or whatever it means. I don't
Oh,
know.
you can go to the Bexar County Courthouse. They actually have somebody over there who will help you. Now, if you're fighting for major property and everything, that's something different.
And well, she has I have a daughter with her, and she holds. See, I pay.
Let me ask you something. And this is just information for me and what I always tell my clients. What I would tell my clients, that person who you say is toxic, who is now acting crazy. Yeah, once in a while, somebody will appear like this great person. You've dated them for 2 years. They've been great. Time when you sign paperwork, they turn in this other person and they're crazy. But usually you have some red flags that there is some crazy in that person, but you just choose to ignore it. We're back on the record. Any objection, Ms. Christian, to the amendment of the state's waivers?
There is no objection.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence in cause number 2025 CR 000637 to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 001924, taking consideration 2025 CC 002355. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with the complainant and no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and also an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record, make better decisions. All right? If you have an anger issue, you better take care of it. Because ask yourself, do you want somebody to treat your daughter the way you treat others? I think the answer to that is no. You know what somebody once said? They said a daughter's first boyfriend is her father, because from that person, they learn how they're supposed to be treated in relationships. All right? Good luck to you.
Thank you.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, you may. Thanks. Have a good
Thank you.
one.
You too.
This case is a reminder. If you're in a toxic relationship, seek legal help, not violence.